here, we will go over how to navigate the Blackboard site. On the Blackboard site, you will see that the welcome page. Listed on the welcome page is all the information you need for the course overview about where the assignments are, how to send an email, how to contact us, how to order your ebook. You click on the faculty profile, you'll find information of the course instructor, our office hours, where we're located, phone number, and email. Here you also click on the course syllabus. The course announcements are listed here. We will post frequently. We will occasionally send email announcements. We don't want to bombard your email box, so check frequently the Blackboard site for announcement. Here are all the teams. The teams are listed by conferencing exercises related to the module. You are already assigned to a discussion group. This is different than your team. The course folder will have all the information regarding to that week's module. The readings, PowerPoint slide, conferencing exercises. Here, for example, for the first week, the conferencing exercise, which is an online activity, is to post your LinkedIn profile and share fun facts about yourself. Next week, the conferencing exercise is related to a case study. Here we wanted you to get to know each other, and also a good opportunity for you to update your LinkedIn profile. VoiceThread is an online conferencing exercise that allows you to give comments such as audio, video, and text. The first voice thread is a practice voice thread. I wanted the students in the class to get comfortable using voice thread. So I asked a simple question: what is your favorite color? You can type in, call in, use your audio or even video to share your favorite color. I highly encourage students to try a voice thread using this simple practice prompt: what is your favorite color? Because the next following week we'll be using voice thread to discuss case studies, news articles, and other important case studies. Now let's navigate back to our course site. Here you find lots of good information. This is where you will submit your individual toolkit. Your individual toolkit is due at 2 points of the semester. The midpoint of the semester, your toolkit 1 through 7s are due, but you can submit your individual toolkit anytime up to that point. After you receive your team feedback, or after you looked over other team feedback, is a good time where you can create your own toolkit to submit using this link for that specific module. We didn't put a specific deadline because we wanted you to recreate these toolkits on your own time, but we did want to have 2 deadline points so that we can give you enough feedback. Your toolkit 1 through 7 is due by March 18th, 9 a.m. Central Time. The final toolkit that includes all 15 tools are due by the end of semester, May 3rd. Folder to find the weekly course material. For example, in week 2, we will go over a leadership compass where you will complete a self-assessment of your leadership style. Knowing your leadership style is an important step in management and leadership in public health. You need to understand yourself in order to lead a team and then lead an organization. And with this momentum of leading your organization, you can then lead change in public health. One of the online activities this week is for you to engage with other similar leadership style like you. There are 4 VoiceThread prompts. We will only join one of the 4 that is designated with your preferred leadership style. Are you a North, East, South, or West leader? Share an aha moment. Any advantages and disadvantages that you see being this specific leadership style. And what could be some limitations that you see about yourself using this leadership style in your team? And what would you need your team members to know about you? These are all self-reflective questions for you to think about, and feel free to share as much as you can using the voice thread. Limit your response to 2 to 3 minutes, or no more than 3 minutes, so that everyone has an opportunity to listen and share. After you complete this exercise, feel free to then pop in to the other voice threads and learn about your other teammates. But you do not need to share a comment in those other threads. You want to stay within your voice thread where you've already identified yourself of having this preferred leadership style. Feel free to share among yourself within your voice thread group. The other online activity this week are the 2 case studies. You will review the case studies and then converse in your discussion group. You're either assigned Group A, Group B, or Group C. The 2 case studies will focus on the HPV vaccine and the contaminated milk case. When you click on the link here, you will see the HPV vaccine. We provided material for you to review and discussion prompts. The second case study is the contaminated milk. Question for discussions where you would share your responses on the discussion board in your specific discussion group, A, B, or C. We also provided additional extra material for you if you would like to learn more about the specific topic. On the BlackBoard side, there are other links here. The voice thread, which you see here, is the BlackBoard Collaborate Ultra, which is a video conferencing platform that allows you to teach online and also host office hours and a lot of online activities. We'll dive more into this later on in the semester.